Imagine it's 6 p.m. Offices are closing and the city is alive. Thousands of users open your ride-booking app, all trying to get home. Suddenly, your infrastructure is under pressure. This is where Kubernetes helps orchestrate and scale workloads efficiently, ensuring business continuity at scale. So, how does Kubernetes work? At its core, Kubernetes manages containers, small, lightweight units that package your application and all its dependencies, making it easy to run anywhere. Kubernetes organizes these containers into pods, which are the smallest deployable units. Kubernetes works in cluster mode. Its architecture includes a master node that controls the cluster and worker nodes that run your application pods. The master node continuously monitors the cluster state, making sure the desired number of pods are running and distributing workloads evenly. When demand surges, like at 6 p.m., Kubernetes automatically schedules and launches additional pods as well as worker nodes, scaling your app to handle the load efficiently. This auto-scaling capability ensures your application stays responsive, without any manual intervention. Pods can be created or terminated as required, based on real-time traffic and resource needs. Fast forward to 2 a.m. Demand drops, and Kubernetes detects the reduced load. It then scales down the number of pods, conserving resources and optimizing operational costs, all while keeping your app available. Kubernetes also provides self-healing. If a pod or container crashes, it automatically tries to create a new one to maintain service health. Need to update your app? Kubernetes provides zero-downtime deployment strategies, gradually replacing old pods with new ones, ensuring zero downtime. At Impressico Business Solutions, we specialize in end-to-end Kubernetes consulting and implementation. From designing containerized application architectures to automating deployment, CI/CD pipelines, and managing clusters at scale, we help businesses modernize infrastructure, improve agility, and reduce total cost of ownership. Whether it's rush hour or downtime, Kubernetes intelligently manages your workloads behind the scenes. And with Impressico by your side, you're assured of secure, scalable, and future-ready deployments. Partner with Impressico today.